The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the assignments that are due for the rest of the semester. So this, first of all, I should say that the dates are subject to change, and that these are only the major assignments, the ones that are worth the most points or related to those assignments. So this is during November, so we have upcoming, we have a proposal for the novel explication essay here on Sunday, November 11th, which we will discuss in class here. In addition, we have on the 13th a novel test, so a test on the novel, which again we're going to be reviewing on this day. Then we're having on the 18th, Sunday the 18th of November, we'll have the summer in response, the final draft due. So that is, you've already done a draft of that, so it's just a matter of finishing that and revising that piece. The other thing that we will be doing essentially in that week is the mid-course exam, and I put mid-course in quotation marks there. That is, it's an in-class essay, and I will explain that in more detail when we come up to it. We then have Thanksgiving, so we don't have class on the 22nd. On the 25th, I do want a draft of the novel explication essay, which again is, you've already submitted a proposal up here, and then you're creating a draft from that. In December, you have what we're calling Argument Essay 2, which is essentially just a revision of what you wrote in the mid-course exam. So you would have, at this point, already written the essay in class. I would have provided feedback, and then you will revise that and submit that for a 101 grade on the 2nd. Then we'll have a couple more class periods. We'll be able to work on the novel explication essay and talk about the final exam, which is an in-class essay just like the mid-course exam. And we'll talk about the implications of that. After that, we'll have one more class, and then we will have our novel explication essay, the final draft, which we at this point would have been working on for quite some time, due December 16th, that's Sunday. And then at the end, there's a end of semester conference, which we'll talk about. This is during the final exam period, and then a reflection letter, which are things we'll discuss all of these things. But I just wanted to provide an overview of especially the bigger things coming up.